Hello again, a new day, a new project, and we just talked a while ago about dropped, or how can I say, abandoned lithium batteries, cells. I'm not looking for this, guys. Remember this one? I find another one. That's amazing. This battery here, it's an S-Mono-21 from Elentec company. Maybe it's designed in Korea and made in Malaysia. 5 volts to amp. Some dirt. I turned it on to work. Of course, like always, alcohol, disinfection, because you never know what's happening with this. All right. This cell is kind of special. I believe this is only the power supply for some other vaporizers, so this is a kind of base power supply for those vaporizer fumes, whatever. It's much better like that, instead of showing, good cells. You can use it on and on. And it have a USB-C connector here. I was really curious to see if it's charging, so we can take a look together. So nothing on USB-C. Probably there is no protocol for that, but it's working great on normal, you see, USB-A. And there is a charging current of 400, all right, around 390 milliamps or something anyway. And we even have a charging light here. Like usually, I have to find what's inside here. Something else interesting? This is magnetic. Look. And the case here, I don't know, but it's looking kind of metallic. I'm not sure if I can dismantle that. Very easy. Yeah, there should be a plus and a minus over there. But I don't see anything. It's a contact on the bottom. It's pretty ugly and dirty. Ah, okay, maybe I can take it out from here. What do you think? And we have some screws there. Here, the same. And magnets. All right. Autopsy time. Well, it smells like tobacco or something. And we have screws behind this. We have blinking LED. We have a charging port. And that means this element, in fact, it can be used very nice for a flashlight or why not a radio or something. We got everything we need there. Okay, that's the magnets. Okay, come on out, come on out. And it's going out. Come on. Oh no. Oh, no problem. Oh, you see? I think this is an induction coil. Wow. Exactly. That's an induction coil. And anyway, here is something magnetic. I can feel that. Normal light. Okay. Very interesting. Out. That's a cell inside there. The LEDs are on. You know something? It's hot. Yes, it is. and it's something, you know, it's vibrating. It have a small, is this a loudspeaker or a microphone? Well, this is much more than I thought, much more complex. We have a, oh, it smells like tobacco everywhere. It have a magnet here, that's for sure, for keeping the vaporizer stocked. And in here, inside this coil, high frequency oscillator and some other interesting things. How can I use this? Oh, come on. Hit me, baby. Yeah. It's hitting for sure. Okay. What can I do with this guy? Well, I successfully smashed the connector. I'm good on this. But what I'm trying to do, in fact, is to hook my oscilloscope to this coil. And let's find out what's the frequency or something. There we go. Now let me try to have the contact in place. The oscilloscope is there, running, nothing. Oh. I think it's too fast. There is no time. Okay, there we go. Acquire. Sample. 7.7 megahertz was there for a blink of, don't think so. See if it's working both ways. Yeah, good idea. Let's see if we can take some power out from this guy. Oh, here I have my mobile, so it's charging only. Okay, like I said, magnets and magnets all around. Anyway, pretty interesting stuff. That's a small induction for sure, but way too complicated for any use. I can use the cell with one of these guys I just bought and have a perfect combination for a flashlight or a, 3.7, 4 volts or something. Okay, so the battery it's off, but I can see something over here, and I think this is a BMS. Let me take a look. And this guy, the little one here, it's a motor, a vibration, something. I believe we have a kind of BMS here, or a fuse. Anyway, it's something for protection. All right. So this is a really nice cell. That's a Samsung. I think it's Samsung. And there we have I'm not sure what is this. Oh yeah, that's a BMS for charging the cell. You see, very nice done. Ingen Solcom safe ING in. Yeah, I don't know, but it's looking like a Samsung. Very complex stuff, I may say. I'm surprised. The coil here and all this electronic. No, I don't know how much cost this, but it's impressive electronics for a device like that. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope it's interesting, and if you like, please subscribe, push the like button too, and most of all, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.